Whenever we eat food, we always wonder what happens to the food that we eat. We might eat healthy food, unhealthy food, we might try fruit juices or vegetable juices, and all that food goes inside that body. And what happens to that food after we eat? While we eat, we also eat the food which enhances our mood, which promotes good hormones, and it also promotes good digestive juices. So this food journey begins in the mouth. Whenever we eat something, it is called ingestion. So ingesting food and chewing the food makes it soft. It gets masticated. It becomes bolus. And what makes this food into smaller pieces called bolus is the salivary amylase. The salivary amylase is the juice produced by the salivary glands to convert starch into maltose. When this is converted, it reaches through the esophagus by a peristaltic movement. It is a hollow tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. No juices or enzymes are produced in the esophagus. A powerful squeeze and squishes makes the food travel down this tube. Peristaltic movement it is known as, or peristalsis, and reaches the stomach for further churning. The stomach or the gut, whatever we understand better. Now this stomach has chief cells which produces pepsinogen, an inactive form of pepsin. With the action of HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid formed by the parietal cells of the stomach, it forms pepsin, which are responsible for the digestion of the protein. These proteins, by the action of pepsin, further breaks down into peptides and amino acids. So the peptide bonds are broken down. So now this ball-like mixture, which turns into a frothy liquid, moves into the intestine, which are the small intestine and the large intestine. Intestinal juice, known as the succus entericus, helps the duodenum to be protected from the damage caused by the highly acidic medium. Over here, the starch is converted into simple sugars by the action of amylase. The three helpers are helping in this process: liver, pancreas and gallbladder. The larger fat globules are broken down into the smaller molecules by the action of lipase, along with the bile juices produced by the liver. Now the proteases from the pancreas are also helping to digest the leftover proteins. Now by the time these digested food materials are absorbed and the unabsorbed food are transferred to the large intestine, further digestion which is left over is done. Otherwise, all these things which are undigested are transferred to the rectum, and the rectum absorbs any remaining water and electrolytes, and that rectum stores this in the form of stool, and that stool is a temporary storage. This temporary storage is the rectum. So that stool is at the temporary storage, passed out from the body through the anus whenever we feel full. The fullness feeling makes us go to the washroom to adjust out the waste. So whenever you eat, it embarks a fascinating journey through your digestive system, which transforms into nutrients which the body needs. So this is why we say that whatever you eat, you set a reminder that the entire process gives your body the essential nutrient to function properly. So you should eat healthy. For further updates and new videos, follow Escape is Sapient now and escape into knowledge.